Hello friends, my name is Mithun, and on this channel I explain money and mutual funds in very simple language. Today's topic is very important for every investor. Active funds versus passive funds. Which one is better for you? By the end of this video, you will clearly know where you should invest and why. Suppose two friends start investing on the same day. Both invested the same money. Both want to become rich. After 10 years, one gets great return. The other gets only average return. What was the difference? The answer is not luck. The answer is active versus passive investing. When most people invest in mutual funds, they don't even know are they using active funds or passive funds. But this one decision can change your returns, your cost, and your tension level for the next 20 years. Let's start from the very basic. Mutual funds means your money is collected with many other people's money and invested into many companies together. This money is managed by a fund house. Imagine Ramesh and Suresh. Both invest 5,000 rupees per month. Both want to invest for 20 years. Ramesh chooses active funds. Suresh chooses passive funds. Now let's understand what they actually did. In active funds, a real human fund manager is working every day. He studies companies. He reads reports. He watches the market. He tries to pick better companies than the market. His goal is very clear. He wants to beat the market. Passive fund is very different. Here nobody is trying to be smart. The fund simply follows an index like Nifty 50 or Sensex. If the index goes up 10%, the fund also goes up around 10%. If the index falls, the fund also falls. Think like this. Active fund is like driving the car yourself. You can go faster, but you can also make mistakes. Passive fund is like sitting in a train. It is slower, but very stable and predictable. Now listen very carefully. This part is very important. Active funds charge more fees because they use managers, analysts, research team. Passive funds charge very little fees because they just copy the index. And remember, these fees cut every year, not once. Here is the uncomfortable truth. Some active funds beat the market, but most active funds fail to beat the market over a long time. Passive funds never try to be number one. They just say, I will be average, but I will be consistent. If you want peace of mind, low cost, long-term stable journey, use passive funds. If you want chance of extra return and you understand risk, use some active funds. The smartest investor use both. Remember one line, you don't become rich by choosing perfect funds. You become rich by staying invested for a long time. If you like simple finance explained simply, like, subscribe and share with your friends. And comment what topic you want next.